viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make tissue paper clay. So for that, first we need some water, and take tissue paper and tear it and soak it in water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, drain the excess water using cloth and take out only the paper pulp. Then gently break it. Then add some glue to this and mix well. Next, add some flour to this mixture and again mix well. Next, I am adding white acrylic paint to get white color clay. There is no problem even if it is not added. After mixing and kneading it thoroughly, our tissue paper clay is ready here. Before reshaping it, apply some oil in your hands. We can use this clay to make mini sculptures. This is a mini snowman I made out of this clay. Hope you'll enjoy this video. If you like this, please give a thumbs up and do share with your friends, and don't forget to get subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.